Okay, so no one else is in my group right now, and our invitation was supposed to go out at 8:50, and no one has joined, and I've emailed them, so it's just me, so it's a little weird, I guess, but I'm just gonna say my answers out loud for the group participation preparation assignment, so you know I did it, I guess. Okay, guess I can screen share. All right, so for part 2, question 5 says, a four-sided die has 4 possible outcomes for each roll, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Calculate the mean of this discrete random variable. So for the mean, I just multiply the value 1, 2, 3, or 4 by the probability, which is 0.25 for all of them. So the first mean would be 1 times 0.25, and the second one is 2 times 0.25, and the third one is 3 times 0.25, and the fourth one is 4 times 0.25. And then if you multiply those out and add them together, it ends up equaling 2.5 as the sum of mean. All right, and then the standard deviation of this discrete random variable. So I just followed the procedure for finding the standard deviation, and oh, that looks weird. Okay, and I did, for example, for the first one, I did 1, which is the value, minus 2.5, which is the mean, and then I squared that quantity, and then I multiplied that quantity by 0.25. And I did the same one with the second, third, and fourth one, except for I substituted 2, 3, and 4 in for the 1 for their respective things. And then when you multiply those all out and add them together, it ends up being 1.25. And I checked those answers and they're right. All right. So I guess I'll do the group quiz now by myself. Don't really know. Okay, and I already started on 2 of the questions, so let's see this one. All right, group quiz. I did the first 5. All right, that's true, true, true. 0.25, 0.75, because 1 minus 0.25 is 0.75. All right, Caroline Willis and her colleagues conducted a study in which dogs were trained to detect bladder cancer. The dogs were trained to lie down next to specimen derived from a bladder cancer patient. Tingle, one of the dogs, demonstrates the identification of a specimen. 7 bowls containing urine were lined up in a random order. 6 of the samples were from patients who did not have the bladder cancer. 1 of the samples came from a person identified as a bladder cancer patient. If the dogs guess at random, what is the probability that they will correctly identify the dish containing the specimen from the bladder cancer patient? There's 7 bowls, 1 of them have cancer and the other 6 don't. So you just divide 1 by 7, and that is rounded to 3 decimal places, 0.143. In a combined total of 54 trials, the dogs correctly identified the specimen from cancer patient 22 times. It is very unlikely that a dog would do this well by random chance alone. Which of the following statements is most appropriate? What? It is very unlikely that a dog would do this well by random chance alone, which follows the most. This provides strong evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer. There is little evidence that dogs can detect bladder cancer. I believe that would be strong evidence since it's unlikely to happen by random chance. M&Ms are small chocolate candies. The M&Ms website previously indicated that in the United States, the distribution of the colors in a bag of plain M&Ms is given in the following table. If you reach into a bag of plain M&Ms, what is the probability of drawing a red-colored candy? Oh, how do I know? Green? There's no green? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just 1/5 because I don't think green is included. Probability is 0.20. Oh, I guess there is a. So 1 out of 6 is 0.17. Then green is 0.17. And then not green is 1 minus 0.17, which is 0.83. That's weird. The ACT scores of students admitted to a medium-sized public university in the western United States were taken from the CAPEX.com. The following summary stats were calculated. Use the information from the public university to answer the following questions. Half of the observations are less than or equal to what number? I think that's a median. 24. Based on the information in the table above, the top 25% of students scored above what number? So it's the third quartile. Yeah, 27. If the probability is high, then the probability is positive. Probability is low, then the probability is negative. I don't know if that's true. Probably macro. Yep. 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 So the first one is not true. Okay, go ahead and I'm joined yet. Nope, she's not. Go ahead and submit. See how I did. I guess that's okay. Okay, Alma is trying to join. So let me find her. Okay, message Alma back. Okay. Just waiting for Alma to join. She just messaged me and said she could join. Probably gonna start my homework maybe while I'm waiting. What did I get wrong? Okay, the probability of getting a red candy. So what I got wrong. Why did I get it wrong? 1 divided by 1, yellow, red, blue, orange, green. That's 6. 0.17. Maybe green isn't included in that one sub. So I wonder why. Oh, there's more. Okay. Probability that I ran. Oh, so it would be the probability of O blood would be 0.4. Probability not O blood would be 1 minus 0.4. Would be 0.55. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. Wish we could retake this. Okay, I guess Alma's not joining us. Right, Alma's not joining us, so I guess that's it.